Hi, what's up everyone? Did you know that nearly 40% of drivers report wishing they had dashcam footage after a minor accident? Well, today, we're diving into the top best dashcams for 2025 you can snag on Amazon. All the links are in the description, so check them out. Starting at number 6, the REDTIGER 4K STARVIS 2 dashcam front and rear with 5 GHz Wi-Fi, 128GB card included, voice control, GPS, loop recording, and parking mode packs a lot of features into a dual camera setup, giving drivers sharp 4K front footage and decent rear coverage. It's great for everyday commuting and city parking, although the small 3.18-inch screen feels cramped and the rear night footage is only average. Yet, compared to a premium Vantrue N4 with 3-channel coverage, it's a budget-friendly option for someone prioritizing front and rear video without overspending. Moving to number 5, the OVAMAN K600 4K dashcam front and rear ups the game with a larger 3.59-inch IPS screen, built-in GPS, HDR, night vision, and a 170-degree wide-angle lens, capturing crisp 4K UHD front and 1080p rear video. Parking mode and loop recording make it convenient for everyday use. And the inclusion of a free SD card is a nice touch, though the rear camera is only 1080p and wide-angle distortion can occur. Number 4 brings the galphi 4K dashcam, which is compact and discreet with super night vision, loop recording, G sensor, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and a 64GB SD card included, making it ideal for front-facing recording. It's an excellent entry to mid-range option, though it lacks rear coverage and a built-in screen, which limits hands-on monitoring. At number 3, the Vital Dashcam Pro 2025 provides dual front and rear coverage with night vision, G sensor, motion detection, and 24/7 parking surveillance, making it plug-and-play friendly. It's reliable for general use, but FHD video and modest night performance mean it can't compete with higher-end dashcams like the ROVE or Vantrue models. Number 2 is the Vantrue N4 Pro S 4K 3-channel dashcam, a serious contender with front, cabin, and rear coverage. Triple STARVIS, 2 sensors, HDR, voice control, GPS, Wi-Fi, supercapacitor power, and 24/7 parking mode. It's feature-packed and ideal for families or rideshare drivers, though extra accessories may be needed for full functionality, and the unit can run warm in hot climates. Finally, number 1, the ROVE R2-4K dual dashcam delivers reliable 4K front and 1080p rear footage, STARVIS 2 sensors, 5 GHz Wi-Fi with up to 20 megabytes per second download, GPS, 24-hour parking mode, and a 128GB microSD included. It strikes a strong balance between high-quality video, convenience, and value, especially compared to mid-range options like Vital or OVAMAN, though rear footage isn't as detailed as the front and very low-light performance is typical for its price range. So what do you think? Is a compact dual cam like the galphi enough? Or is going all in with a 3-channel Vantrue N4 Pro S worth it? Drop your thoughts in the comments! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this useful. All the links are in the description. Check them out and upgrade your dashcam game in 2025.